Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable AirDrop on your MacBook Pro. To do this, you just need to go to the notifications or settings tab on the top of the screen here. And as you can see here, there is three options: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirDrop. To enable the AirDrop, you just need to click on this icon near to the AirDrop. And as you can see now, it shows you the AirDrop option and you are going to activate it. And now the AirDrop is activated and you can choose if you want to AirDrop only with your contacts or with everyone. You can change it for everyone or contacts only. And if you want to deactivate it, you just need to go here and deactivate the AirDrop. And as you can see now, the AirDrop is closed again. I wish that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.